Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today's video is a look at how my garden has been coming along over the past few days. You can see many of the plants are doing well. They are in their peak growing before the end of fall hits. The dirt and grass has been replaced with black mulch and white pebbles. Since we are in a severe drought in California, this garden is now drought resistant. Many of the plants you will see, such as marigolds and succulents, do not require regular waterings. This is a look around the periphery. I have garlic, succulents, a few roses, and my splurge plant is the hydrangeas that are here. These are doing very well, and as you can see, are still blooming quite well. We have quite a few buds on the hydrangea. You may have noticed some sticks around some of the plants. This is because they either need support or they are covered when it reaches very hot temperatures here in order to protect them from the bright sun. I've decided in the center to use succulents in order to create a zen effect. Succulents are happy to be moved around, and I like creating decorative displays. The white and black scape was kept to a minimalist design, again in order to bring off a zen appeal. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.